everyone. Today I'm going to share how to stay inspired in your life, right? So no matter what you do, if you're actor, if you are singer, if you're a dancer, right, or if you are a coach, or you are a fitness expert, or you're a bodybuilder, whatever you do, right, it's very important for all of us, or you are, any kind of entrepreneur, right, you work online. So it's very important that we stay inspired no matter what, no matter how many challenges we are facing. It's very important for all of us to stay inspired. So because my t-shirt says stay inspired, so I thought it's an interesting topic to discuss. So that's what I'm going to share today. First of all, I think you should have a clear goal for a year or for a month or for your life, in fact, right? So when you have clear vision for your life, that's what you want to do, right? So I think no matter how many challenges you face, or no matter how hard the journey is, you will stay on track, right? And also I want to say here, like, I'm spiritual coach, right? So of course, money was not the initial motivation, right? I tell you, like in my case, when I see someone happy, or some, one smile on someone's face, or I see that, like someone is feeling more inspired by watching my videos, then I feel truly happy, actually. So I think like, of course money is great, but bigger thing is that if you can make someone smile, right? So I think when you make someone happy, you feel really good. So yes, so my of course my intention is that after watching my videos, you guys stay positive, inspired, and happy in your life. That's why I make videos, right? Not for money, right? So of course, but yeah, that's also not the case that I don't love money and I don't want to charge for my worth. So of course, time to time, whatever product we launch, I go ahead and tell you guys that this is the product, and if you want to buy or not, that is entirely up to you. I don't force anyone to work with me, right? Or nor like I like to push anyone to buy my product. If you think it might make you happy or it might change your life, then you can of course buy it, right? Of course, my intention is that everyone should be happy, and they should feel confident in their own skin, and they can have the best relationship of their life. So, or they can manifest soulmate in their life, right? That's why my favorite color is red. And if you have noticed, the theme of my YouTube channel is also red. And yeah, also, like, I try on Instagram also to show more of red color and pink color, because of course I love red and pink. I'm a girl right? So yeah, I love red more, no doubt about it. Yeah, I love black too, but yeah, earlier I used to love black, but I think your taste change, right? Every month you find new color exciting. I think maybe it's related to your chakras as well. So yeah, also I'm finding green color also these days, exciting. So maybe you love new colors in new season. So yeah, so right now I'm loving red and green. So I used to love black, but now I'm loving red, and second best is green. Also, long time back, I think maybe 3 to 4 years back, I used to love pink as well, and so many people used to call me Pinky. So yeah, I had a lot of pink that time. That's why my like second favorite color is of course pink. So yeah, but then you get bored, then you want to work with some new color, right? So yeah, so that's what I want to say. Like, if you want to stay inspired, you should have clear vision and clear mission regarding your life. That is going to inspire you. Second thing is that, of course, money is also a great motivation. I won't deny that. If you have a clear goal for a year or for a month or for a week or for a day, you don't have to inspire yourself. You will get up and you will work yourself, right? So of course money is great motivation. I don't want to deny that I don't love money and I just want to make people happy. That's not the case. Of course I feel happy when someone is happy after watching my videos, but yeah, I love money as well, and I love to charge for my worth as well. Okay, and yeah, so I think money is great motivation. And also, yeah, third thing is that it's very important to surround yourself with positive people. See, people around you matters a lot. We exchange energy, so also it's very important to surround yourself with positive people who have great energy. So I love to work with people also who have great energy. So yeah, so that's what I want to share, that it's very important to surround yourself with great people. It's not that, you know, like they should be millionaires or billionaire, but yeah, they should have great mindset, and they should be positive, right? So yeah, so I think people around you matters a lot, so your environment matters a lot. So yeah, have positive people around you, and spend as much less time with negative or toxic people, right? So I'm not a person who entertain toxic people or negative people in my life, nor on my Instagram I entertained any kind of, you know, people I think I don't want to work with, right? So you guys are like my family, so if I think that somebody you know, like if I don't feel safe with someone, how can anybody else can feel safe, right? So that's why I also want to say that you guys are like family to me, and I want to treat everybody like family. But if anyone will go ahead and cross boundary, then I have my boundaries as well, right? So yeah, that's what I want to share, that it's, and I want to work with absolutely great people who have great mindset. And second thing is that they have clear vision and mission, and they want to do the work as well, right? So money is not everything, I believe. Like if you are ambitious and if you want to change yourself, then anybody can go ahead and help you out with it, right? That's what I believe. That's why I truly love people with great energy and great mindset. So I love to work with people who have great mindset. So yeah, right? Also you should have clear vision, and you like, you know, that's what motivates you as well. So that's also, yeah, also guys, work out daily, meditate daily. These are basic things. And have high vibration food daily, because otherwise you are going to leak your energy by, if you are going to eat crap or any kind of, you know, wrong things. Like wrong things, I mean to say any kind of junk food, or you know, if you are drinking, smoking, that is going to drain your energy. So it's very important to stay in high energy. So take care of your diet. That's so important. Yeah, you can have like you know, Maggie and all, one cheat day in a week. Even I also do. I won't say that I don't do cheat day. I do cheat day on Saturday, Sunday. So but yeah, in a week when you have to work, then eat clean. Okay, how wonderful. So I'm also working on it. I won't say that I'm perfect. So but I have realized when I eat clean Monday to Friday, my energy is higher. So on Saturday, Sunday we can eat anything, right? So if we don't have to go anywhere and we just have to sit at home and do basic thing, then you can eat whatever you want to. That's what I believe. You guys can share your opinion as well. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care guys.